How to save your client thousands of dollars on a home buyout. If you use a standard appraisal for a home buyout, your client is paying too much. Galloway Building Services offers a true value package that gives your client the real worth of the home. Galloway Building Services' True Value service starts with a thorough, detailed inspection that finds hidden problems such as furnace or air conditioner that needs replacement, foundation wall cracks or water leaks, roof leaking or needs replacement, plumbing leaks. These can represent tens of thousands of dollars in repairs that decrease the appraised value of a home. Galloway Building Services then does a construction cost analysis of the repairs required. Galloway Building Services also provides an appraisal of the real value of the home in its current condition. You will receive detailed reports of each service. All work is done by certified and licensed professionals with over 45 years of experience in home construction, inspection, and appraisals. Call 314-520-6655 now to discuss your needs. Call 314-520-6655 now or go to GallowayBuildingServices.com for more information. Galloway Building Services also does construction expert witnessing.